through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
To my ex-boyfriend, my soon-to-be husband, Don. You made me feel immeasurably happy and loved, and I know this is the only beginning of our journey together as a married couple. 5 years ago, God's perfect timing, that one day I found myself loving you, and knowing I'm most loved by you is one of the greatest God's blessing. Being together has been far from perfect. Lord knows the struggle we have faced, but our love rose above it all, and we have overcome it and came out stronger us.
I've been thinking about you and how you made me sink into the deepest of oceans, where love is all I breathe. I'm learning your temperature, I'm learning your space. I'll keep swimming softly now, through wind and wave. I can't take a breath when you're not there. You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hold. And this day on down forever.
I can promise you life will be perfect, but I vow to nag you every time you play computer games. I vow to eat with you chichiria so we die together early. Now that I have found my heart a home, it will be yours until it stops beating. I love you and I'll see you in a bit. Your ex-girlfriend, your soon-to-be wife, Mahal.
I'm learning your shape. This love that I feel for you will never fade. I can't take a breath when you're not there. You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hold. From this day on down forevermore. Oh, I can see you. I can see you. I'm learning your patience, I'm learning your grace. I'll keep moving towards you now.
Dear Mahal, as your soon-to-be husband, I promise to always listen and never hurt you. Our journey may not be perfect, but I will love you for the rest of my life and never leave you. I can't wait to see you later. I love you. Your soon-to-be husband, Don.
I'm learning your patience. I'm learning your grace. I'll keep moving towards you now, as long as it takes. I can't take a breath when you're not there. You're my reason, you're my air. You're all I want to have and hold. This day